Good morning, children. So, in the last class, we have discussed about a cube. What are a cube numbers, isn't it? So, related to that, we are having exercise 1.1. Let us start the exercise. What we are having. So, the first line of the exercise is which of the following numbers are not a perfect cubes? How you will find out? Just check the factors. If the factors are repeated in the group of threes, the same factors you are getting 3 times, then it is a perfect cube. The same concept we are involving here. The first number is 216. Divide 216 by 2. 2 ones are, here see at a time 2 numbers you are taking. So 0s are, 8s are, you should write. 2 5s are, 4s are, 2 2s are, 7s are. Again odd number, start from 3. 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So how many 2s, how many 3s you got? 3 2s, 3 3s you got. So which can be written as 2 cube into 3 cube. Exponential 2 3s are 6 cube you will be getting. So we got a cube for it. It is that means we can write 216 as 6 cube also. That's why it is a perfect cube. Next 100. Factorize 100. 2 5s are, 0s are, 2 25s are, 5 5s are we are getting. So 2 times 2, 2 times 5. Both are requiring 1 factor. So 2 that's why it is not a perfect square. Next we will move to the third problem. 46,656. Factorize it from 2. 2 2s are, 3s are, 3s are, 2s are, 8s are, because 1 will carry over here. Again 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 1 will come here, 2 6 are, 12, again 1, 2 6 are, 2 4s are, again 2 5s are, 10, 1 left, 8s are, 16, 3s are, 2s are, again 2 2s are, 2 9s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, again 2 1s are, 4s are, 5s are, 1 left, 8s are, again 2 7s are, 2 2s are, 2 9s are. Odd number came up. If odd number comes means start from 3. Check the divisibility of 3. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So divide it by 3. 3 2s are, 3 4s are, 3 3s are, 3 8s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. Now write all the factors. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 has repeated. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times the 3 has repeated. Now make the group of 3 3. Okay, write the cubes. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So 9 4s are 36 cube it is. Hence it is a cube number. Next we will move to the next concept of the lesson. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. For this heading, what we have to do? Which is not having a multiple for a grouping of 3, that should be multiplied. That is the main concept behind this problem. 243, factorize it. Ending with 3, so we can't start from 2. You should check for 3. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, hence it is divisible by 3. 3 8s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So 3 is repeated for 5 times. One group we can make as a triples and one more is requiring 3. 2 3s are there, one more 3 is absent. So that is the number we should multiply to make it as a perfect cube. In the same way, the second one is 675. Again, ending with 5. So it is not divisible by 2. You should check for 3 only. So add it off. 12 plus 6, 18. So it is divisible by 3. Divide it by 3 now. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry over, 15, 3 5s are. Again add it. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. Again from 3 it is divisible. 2 7s are 21, 1 element, 2 5s are. Again add it 12. It is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 3 5s are. Now 25 is not divisible by 3. Go with the next number, that is 5. 5 5s are 25. List all the factors. 3 times 3, 2 times. So it is one group, but if it is 1 5 is required to make it a group. So we should multiply it by a 5. Now the third problem, 100. So 2 into 2, 5 into 5 are the factors of 100. So both 2 and 5 is required for both. So we should multiply by 10 because 2 and 5 are requiring a triples for that reason. Clear? Next we will move to the next problem of the exercise. Here divisible. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Same concept what we have used for multiplication, the same thing will be implemented here. Factorize the number. What are the factors you are getting, you check it out. Whatever the factor it is extra, that should be divided. Okay. Here also. 81 we took first. 81 factors are 3 times 4. 4 times 3 number. Triples 1 group, 1 3 will be left. So divide it by 3. Next 135. Divide again by 3. 3 4s are, 3 5s are. Again 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So 3 5s are 15. These are the factors. You can observe 3 is having a group whereas 5 is alone. So divide by 5 to make 135 as a perfect cube. Next 704 divided by 2. 3s are, 5s are, 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 7s are because 1 will be left here. Again 1 is left, 6 are. 2 8s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are, 2 11s are. The factors are this. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 is repeated. 1 time 11 is repeated. So 11 is an extra here. So we should divide it by an 11. Okay. See here, after dividing we are getting these factors. 11 is extra, so divide this number by 11. So the last problem of the exercise, Parikshit makes a cuboid of a plasticine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. Okay. How many such cuboids will be needed to frame a cube? So here Parikshit is a boy who is making a cuboid and he wants to make a cube from using such a cuboid so many times. Okay, we should find how many cuboids are required for him. First dimension of cuboid you write down, length into breadth into height, that is 5 cm into 2 cm into 5 cm. So least length of cube will be take the LCM of these numbers, you are getting 10. So volume of cube you take down. So this cube, L cube, that is A cube, 100. So the volume of cube should be what? A into A into A. So it is side is 10 means it will be 10 cube. 10 cube value is 1000. Okay. But what is required? Number of cuboids are required. So number of cuboids required will be given by volume of a cube by volume of cuboid. Okay. What is volume of cube? 1000. Cuboid is 50. Divide it 0 0. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 0s. So what is the answer we got? 20 we got. So this says that he needs a 20 cuboids of the length 5 into 2 into 5 to make a cube. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss about the cube roots, children. Thank you.